Hi guys, welcome to Thenali Views. Today we are going to analyze how to enter before the breakout. We have taken Axis Bank. Axis Bank, the support and resistance has been plotted in the black for the weekly time frame. And you see here it was a build up for the last 7 weeks. And the trend of the weekly was in the uptrend. So let's go for a daily time frame. The daily time frame, the black color was a weekly support and resistance, and blue color will be the daily time frame support and resistance. As the trend was in uptrend, we here plotted a dynamic support via trend line. This trend line will act as a dynamic support, and this range 720 to 712 will be act as a support range, and 800 to 821 will be act as the resistance zone. The dynamic support and resistance was plotted via moving average was in the range of 777 to 767. Our motive is how to enter the trade before its breakup. We analyzed the trend was in the up, and based on this trend line support, it is clearly evidence as the script has forming higher lows and higher highs, which is also forming as ascending triangle pattern. So once a triangle got a breakout, we need to enter, or it should be in the retest. We can enter once this got breakout, or it should be retest and then it should be move ahead. But in this video, I'm going to tell about how to enter the breakout before it happens. Let's go to the lower time frame of factor 4 to 6. In this, the factor will be 2 hours time frame, which I will take for the daily time frame. The script was the consolidation phase, and this yellow line will be the 2 hours support and resistance, and blue line will be the higher time frame support and resistance, which is a resistance. So it was in the clear resistance zone, and in daily time frame, be evident the resistance was touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times this has been touched, and it was in the consolidation phase. So every time it touches in the short term, it will have a clear breakout. So based on this, we need in the lower time frame, we plotted the support and resistance and the trend line. So this is the confluence factor where if the script touches this area and move forward in any of the bullish engulfing pattern or any of the pattern of candlestick pattern, we can go long, or in another way is I'm having the stochastic RSI indicator where it is was in the oversold area, and I use this as a momentum indicator. So once the momentum comes in the range of oversold region, it's overbought and it was in the oversold region, and it's push up higher, we can go for a long. We can see here in the daily time frame, the stochastics was in the nearing overbought zone. So in 2 hours time frame, it already reached the overbought zone. So once it comes to oversold range and move back to higher zone, we can go for a long, and in weekly also it was nearing the overbought range. And we see here the MAC indicator was in the bullish zone. Also in the weekly it was flattened. So there was a, if MACD was flat, you see here, there was a chances of huge breakout will be happen. So this is another a pinpoint for us. And moreover, the volatility in the weekly was flattened. In the daily time frame, it was flat, and in 2 hours time frame, also it was flattened. So the volatility of the script was also was flat. So based on the above criteria, and the final indicator we are seeing is CPR, where the script was above the CPR, and it may turn to be a bullish bias of CPR. So with the confluence, we came to know that the script was in the long side. We can enter the trade before this breakout at the range of 772 to 778 based on candlestick pattern or stochastic or any other method which favors you, where the risk to reward will be very high. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Thank you.